Namo Himalaya loved one. So today we're going to do things a bit different. We are going to do a 5-minute plank challenge. So when you're ready, get settled in plank. I'm gonna start with forearm plank, but you can start on your hands if you like. And then halfway through, I'm gonna switch to palm plank. Alright, so that was halfway there. Now I'm just gonna switch over to palm plank. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Alright, so we're gonna gently release into Balasana by releasing the knees to the mat and pushing the bum back. And just breathe. So if you do this daily for about a month, you will see major changes in your abs as well as the strength of your arms. So give it a try and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!